How your body changes when you eat sweet potatoes every day. Sweet potatoes have long been recognized as a nutrient powerhouse in the culinary world, becoming a favorite choice for health-conscious individuals. Beyond their vibrant orange hue that catches the eye, these tubers are packed with a treasure trove of valuable nutrients capable of enhancing your overall well-being. In this article, we'll dive into the remarkable transformations that take place in your body when you make sweet potatoes a daily staple in your diet. With their subtly sweet flavor and versatile culinary applications, sweet potatoes have not only won over the hearts of diners at the table, but have also found their way into countless dishes worldwide. Beyond their delicious taste, the nutritional value of sweet potatoes far exceeds what you might imagine. Let's explore the incredible benefits they bring when you incorporate them into your routine consistently. 1. Boosting vision with vitamin A. The standout feature of sweet potatoes is their rich supply of vitamin A, an essential nutrient for maintaining healthy eyes, especially in low-light conditions. The component beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, not only gives them their signature color, but also plays a vital role in strengthening your immune system. When you eat sweet potatoes, your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A through a natural biological process, delivering the necessary compounds to your retina, the light-sensitive layer at the back of your eye. This helps sustain and enhance your vision, particularly in dim environments. 2. Supporting brain function. Sweet potatoes are loaded with powerful antioxidants that help eliminate free radicals, harmful molecules that can trigger oxidative stress, leading to cognitive decline and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. By making sweet potatoes a daily habit, you equip your brain with an effective protective shield. Beta-carotene shines again here, not just enhancing their color, but also aiding in the production of neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that facilitate communication between nerve cells, improving learning and memory. Additionally, vitamin C and manganese in sweet potatoes further safeguard the brain from oxidative stress and optimize cognitive performance. 3. Improving digestive health. Fiber is a digestive system's best friend, and sweet potatoes are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps stabilize blood sugar and lower cholesterol, while insoluble fiber promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Eating sweet potatoes daily provides your gut with the tools it needs to function smoothly. Moreover, fiber nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, supporting a healthy microbiome that enhances digestion and nutrient absorption. 4. Regulating blood sugar levels. Despite their natural sweetness, sweet potatoes are an ideal companion for those aiming to manage blood sugar. The secret lies in their low glycemic index, GI, which allows glucose to be released slowly into the bloodstream, providing steady energy rather than sudden spikes. The complex carbohydrates paired with fiber in sweet potatoes not only prevent blood sugar fluctuations, but also promote prolonged fullness, aiding in natural weight management. 5. Elevating energy levels. Sweet potatoes offer a sustainable energy source thanks to their complex carbohydrates, long sugar chains that take time to break down. This ensures a gradual release of energy, keeping you alert and active throughout the day. They're a perfect pick for those with active lifestyles, especially when combined with vitamin C and potassium, nutrients that support energy metabolism and muscle health. 6. Reducing inflammation in the body. Beyond their taste and nutrition, sweet potatoes stand out for their anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to antioxidants like beta-carotene, anthocyanins, and chlorogenic acid. These compounds neutralize free radicals, reducing inflammation and bolstering immunity, offering benefits for individuals with conditions like arthritis or inflammatory bowel disease. This is why sweet potatoes are a staple in anti-inflammatory diets. 7. Enhancing skin health. Sweet potatoes don't just benefit you internally, they also help your skin glow. Beta-carotene, converted into vitamin A, supports skin cell renewal, maintaining elasticity and preventing premature aging. Other antioxidants in sweet potatoes protect your skin from environmental damage, such as UV rays or pollution, resulting in a youthful, radiant complexion. 8. Assisting weight management. With their high fiber content and complex carbohydrates, sweet potatoes keep you fuller for longer, curbing cravings and reducing overall calorie intake. The steady energy they provide also minimizes the urge to reach for sugary or unhealthy snacks, making them a trusty ally in maintaining a healthy weight. 9. Strengthening heart health. Rich in potassium, sweet potatoes help regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body, lowering the risk of hypertension. Their soluble fiber further supports heart health by reducing LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, preventing arterial plaque buildup, and promoting overall cardiovascular function. 10. Bolstering the immune system. Vitamin C in sweet potatoes is a key player in boosting immunity, stimulating the production of white blood cells, the body's frontline defenders against illness. Combined with beta-carotene and manganese, sweet potatoes help your body fend off bacteria and viruses while speeding up recovery from infections. Conclusion: adding sweet potatoes to your daily diet isn't just about enjoying their delicious flavor. It's a simple way to enhance your overall health, from your eyes and brain to your heart, skin, and immune system. However, every body is unique, so consider consulting a nutritionist before making major dietary changes. If you found this article helpful, feel free to share it with others to spread the word about the power of sweet potatoes.